Hi, Munchkin. Who's that? Is that Caroline? Can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi. Can you say hat?
Hi.
Hat. Hat. Can you say please? Please. Can you say, hold on, can you say thank you? Thank you. That's right. Hat. What else can you say? Can you say mama?
Mommy.
Mommy, that's right.
Mommy, look.
Can you say daddy?
Daddy.
Can you say dog?
Dog.
Can you say kitty?
Kitty.
Can you say kitty?
Kitty. Dog.
Caroline, can you say kitty?
Kitty.
Where's the kitty?
There. Hi.
Oh, she's hiding?
Yeah. I better go get her.
You're gonna go catch her?
Yeah.
Maybe gently, okay?
Mommy, look.
You're standing up, I see that.
Whoa.
Yeah, let's make wise choices, okay?
Mommy.
Kitty, that's right, Caroline. Evan, if you don't like your food, please go spit it out in the sink. Please don't throw it at me.
I want to see my picture.
You want to see your picture?
Uh-huh.
Don't sit on your sister.
What? Hi.
Alright, now we've got everybody. That was your sister's face. Gentle, please. Caroline. Now you're clonking heads on purpose. That's four choices. 4 choices. Okay.
Now I have my toy.
Yes, now you may have your toy. Alright, Caroline, can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Thank you.